Hello there. I'm hoping that this camera angle will enable you to see the putting on of wind savers. We're going to do 3 of them, and I'm actually going to glue them on now. And the wind savers are ready in order. And so I take my crazy glue here, and I put a fresh dot of it. And you have to put enough on there so that you got enough to grab. The application is done with a toothpick, and I just put a dot here of the glue, and I pick up the wind saver, and I'm going to lock down the free side first, having a 1/2 millimeter overhang. Hold it in place with my finger and drop it down into position, straightening with my thumb over here to get the line up perfect on both sides and the overhang correct at the end. So that is correct. Now, you saw there that I normally would never keep my glue this close, but I had to bring it into the camera. I would normally keep it away, and my hand did catch it, but I've got the issue of trying to show you what I'm doing. So I come here, again, just a dot of the glue, like that. And I come and grab the wind saver. The free end will go down first, placed 1/2 millimeter from the end of the slot. I hold it in place and drop it down. Then I use my thumb to warm it, cure it. I remove my thumb and remove my finger, and it's in perfect position. So there's a lot of alignment going on very quickly here. I only have about 3 seconds to get it where it belongs. So again, step 1, the tiny drop. I come around. The end is placed 1/2 millimeter and perfectly lined up. I hold it, drop it into place, and line it with the thumb, pressing down. Let it lock in, and I make sure that it's equidistant left and right on the sides. I remove my thumb and remove my finger, and it is a perfectly aligned breath saver. So that is the methodology. Just hopefully, I hope you can see this. The overhang of the breath saver is very small at the end here. It's only 1/2 millimeter overhang. It's equidistant left and right, and there's about 2 millimeters on this side of the reed slot where it glues. No more. That is as much as I would use. And so again, that is the effective method of using crazy glue to glue.